Let's see what $35 got us in the Tribe Beauty Box. And we are unboxing, trying on, and giving you my first impressions of August 2019's Tribe Beauty Box. In 3, 2, 1. Hey, it's Amanda. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time here and you enjoy beauty hauls, subscription unboxings, first impressions, reviews, and more, start right now by clicking subscribe for new videos weekly. I have been just loving finding new subscription boxes. I've come across the Tribe Beauty Box. This is my first one that I'm unboxing on my channel because I started my subscription late June, and by then I received my box in July, so I decided not to do an unboxing. Trying out new subscription boxes have been a lot of fun, and then just kind of seeing how it compares to some of like the top competitors like BOXYCHARM and IPSY. If you're not familiar with the Tribe Beauty Box, it is bi-monthly, so our next box would be in October, and you get 5 full-size products, and each box retails for over $100. And if you're interested in signing up for the Tribe Beauty Box, I will leave my affiliate link down below as well as my affiliate code. You can save 10% off of your box by using code AITSAMANDA. You save some money and I'm able to invest back into my channel. I also wanted to say, just because I am an affiliate with Tribe Beauty Box, I always keep 100% real. My thoughts and opinions are not influenced by receiving PR or being affiliated with a brand. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. And this is what the box looks like. Now, I was informed that they are not putting cards in the monthly boxes moving forward. I know it's a pain, but it's also supposed to help cut down on waste. And you're probably like, well, what about these peanuts? These peanuts are supposed to be biodegradable. A lot of them are not, because I do get annoyed when I do get a bunch of packing peanuts. So when I'm editing, I will have to look up the different prices to put on the screen for you guys. So hopefully that will be useful. I won't be able to read about the product, but I can kind of just get an idea. We have a blush, a setting spray, an eye primer, a lip product, and then looks like we have a eyeshadow palette. Looking at the items received, I think it's a well-balanced box. They are all makeup products. We'll be able to try every single product. So we have an eye base for the eyeshadow palette, 2 face products, one to apply blush, and then one to set the face, and then to top it all off, a lip product. So I think I am gonna start with eyes. First product we have is by the Balm Cosmetics, and it's the Priming is Everything Neutral Eyeshadow Primer. I am not that familiar with the Balm Cosmetics. I only have one other product by them, and it is a bronzer. I received a liquid highlighter. It wasn't my favorite, so I ended up just decluttering it. Although it was very pretty, I just struggle with really blending out my liquid highlighters. I am curious to try my third product by the Balm Cosmetics. If you have been watching my past few videos that have involved an eyeshadow palette, probably know that I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. If you open it up, it's in this little compact, which is very interesting. I have my Lexi 213 eye shading brush, and I'm just gonna dip my brush in and apply it. So it is pretty neutral. The Anastasia one is very white. It feels tacky. Doesn't feel as tacky as the ABH, but this isn't bad. I love receiving eye primers. I know it's gonna get a lot of use out of it, so I really hope that these eyeshadows are gonna be popping on this. This would be really nice for travel if this works out. Hopefully it being in a compact does not make its tackiness go away. I am having to build this up quite a bit compared to my Anastasia, but other than that, I think it applied really, really nice. I can't really give much until I put the eyeshadows on. Product number 2 is the Ruby May #Vibes palette. I am gonna set this one aside for a future giveaway because on Tribe's website, you were able to purchase all 3 palettes that were offered for August's box. Being able to give one back to you guys is really exciting for me, and you were also able to choose which palette you wanted. I will grab mine, and this is what the inside looks like. I'm so excited. For my past few videos, BIJOU box unboxing and my morning skincare routine, I have been living for the color combination of hot pink, blue, and purple. Like, I'm just gravitating towards those colors. And if you like those colors as much as I do, definitely check out my video of the Morphe 35H palette. I'm really excited to test out this palette. I have not tried anything by Ruby May before. I'll go on ahead and do some swatches, and then I'll show you the other 2 palettes. I'm not sure if this was like the first time you were able to choose a specific product in your Tribe Beauty Box. Honestly, it was really hard to choose which one because I think all 3 are gorgeous, and that's partially why I ended up just picking up the bundle of 3. So let's do some swatches. Oh my gosh, the pigment. Before I swatch these, I just want to say that the mattes and the shimmer both felt really, really creamy and smooth. I love that. Hashtag tea, hashtag rose, hashtag glow, hashtag flirt. I am here for the hashtag names. I think that's really cute. Oh snap. Mattes and shimmers have pigments throughout the entire swatch. They felt so smooth, and I really hope that these have some awesome pigment payoff. Do you see hashtag flirt? It is calling me like Moana. I am very impressed based off the top row. Ooh, we got some staining on my pinky right now. Half expected that. If that shade ends up staining your eye, just put a little bit of concealer and blend it out so it doesn't look like you have a eye disease. And then the bottom row. I'm living for the bottom row of shimmers. Hashtag shade, hashtag babe, hashtag mermaid, hashtag psychic. Oh my gosh. Hashtag mermaid. This is why this pink and blue combination is just calling me. Like, it's just so stunning. But I'm gonna try to change it up a little bit. Otherwise, it would be recreating a similar look. But dang, look at that pigment is still on the fingers for shimmers. This color story, it's just, oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I don't even want to wipe away the swatches. The other two palettes you could have received are the hashtag brights. Let's open this one up. Oh, I was waiting for something to drop in a subscription unboxing because it's been 2 in a row, too good to be true, and plastic sheet came through. But can we talk about the Brights palette? It is gorgeous. This reminds me a lot of 2 new palettes that were recently released. Lorac released a neon palette as well as Lime Crime. This is why I couldn't just choose one palette. And then the third palette was hashtag mood. I was waiting for the plastic thing. Yes, this one is so pretty as well. I'm so excited for it. This shade, hashtag killing it, is going to be probably my favorite shade. Part of this color story reminds me of the LA Girl Hot Hot Heat palette. Definitely let me know if you would like to see a video using these 2 palettes on a Luxie 229 tapered blending. I'm gonna take the shade Rose. I know. We're starting with pink, and then I'm gonna take it into my crease. Oh snap. There's a little bit of kickback when you dip your brush in, but nothing too major. Just doing some back and forth motions. This shade is building up quite nice, and I like how you're able to dip in and build up the shade instead of just bam pigment. That way you have a little bit of more control when you apply your shadows. Also, this is my first time trying out the balm base. I definitely maybe want to do a second go around comparing it to like my usual primer, which is the ABH. I don't know what to expect from the balm eye primer. I don't know how bright it's gonna make my shades, as well how I'm able to blend. But right now, based off the first shade, I didn't run into any issues blending, so that's a very good sign. I'm gonna take a different Luxie 229 taper blending, and I want to dip into the shade Flirt just to deepen things out and also start rounding out the outer V, helping carve out where my eyelid and crease meet. Ooh, I like this shade. Stunning. Adding like a nice pink gradient to everything. With no additional product, I'm gonna go back into the original 229 brush that we took the shade hashtag babe on and kind of just do some light circular motions just to make sure that the two are nice and blended together. Everything looks smooth and even. This pink ombre effect I am living for. On a Sigma E55, I'm gonna grab the shade hashtag psychic. Oh no, I just crumbled it really bad. Okay, be gentle with that shade. Crap. I was gonna pack it right here into like the first half of my eyelid. You don't even need MAC Fix. This shade has a lot of fallout though. And then on Luxie 213 eye shading, I want to take the shade hashtag mermaid. I'm gonna be more gentle to this one. I didn't realize I was maybe digging too much. And then put this on my other half. It's probably like more like my outer third. Ooh, I like the color that it's creating with hashtag flirt. I'm really impressed that neither one of these shimmers needed MAC Fix. I can only imagine how much brighter they're gonna be with MAC Fix. I'm a little sad about hashtag psychic, man. I don't know what happened there. And then on a Luxie 141 mini round, I want to take the shade Babe for the lower lash. Ooh, that's pretty. I know it's a shimmer, but I'm loving this for the lower lash. It's gliding on so smooth. And then lastly, on a Luxie 217 pencil, I'm gonna grab the shade Glow and I'm gonna place it in the inner corners. Typically I would spray some MAC Fix, but how the other shimmers have applied, I don't think I'm gonna need it. No, oh my gosh, what? That pigment though, oh snap. I'm obsessed with this little palette. With the exception of #psychic almost dying on me, I really loved how this palette applied on my eyes. This is such a fun look. The two mattes that I used, #Rose and Flirt, blended out really nice, and then the shimmers were pretty effortless. They did not require MAC Fix. I usually like to take my brush, dip it in the pan of the shimmer, and then spray MAC Fix, but I did not need to in this case. I think that the Balm eye primer did really good. The shades are popping, but I do kind of want to put it head to head with my Anastasia just to see which one might be brighter, which one blends out a little bit better, but I think the Balm did a really good job for this palette demonstration. I went on ahead and sprayed some rubbing alcohol on the Psychic to help maybe just get it back together before it crumbles. So the third product is this blush by Cargo. We received the shade Laguna. I don't own any Cargo products. It's just a brand that I don't really like. I find their eyeshadows and blushes typically to be really chalky and kind of difficult to blend, and I wasn't impressed with the pigment. Packaging's interesting. Ooh, this is a pretty shade. It's more peachier, but maybe it applies really nice. I'm gonna go on ahead and give it a shot. I don't want to ride off this product. Maybe they've reformulated since then. It has been probably like 5 to 7 years since I've even tried a Cargo product. Let's just give it a whirl. The blush did feel dry, but it's super pigmented on my finger. It felt pretty smooth when I swatched it on my arm. Hopefully this blush isn't too orange. Then again, I don't have foundation on right now, so it is gonna maybe look a little weird on my face. But I'm gonna take my Farrah 250F brush to dab in. A little bit of fallout. It is very pigmented. It's like enhancing my redness. But like I said, I don't have foundation on. Now I look like Jigsaw or a clown. You decide in the comments below. Not my favorite product, but not the worst product. I definitely had to try this with foundation before jumping into any conclusions. The fourth product is the Bella Perrier HD Setting Spray. I've only tried this brand through subscription boxes. They've been hit or miss with me. And I have found some eye, lip, and face products that I have liked, but I didn't know that they had a setting spray. I love setting sprays. I always compare setting sprays to the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, Urban Decay All Nighter, and the Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover Setting Mist. So let's go on ahead and spray the face. Oh my gosh, what an aggressive nozzle. It looks like I just got rained on. WTF. Oh my gosh. I don't like that spray radius at all. Literally, if you go out and take a hose and spray your face, that's what you're gonna get. It feels nice. Spray radius and how it dispenses is important to me. Definitely feel like too much is coming out of this nozzle. Don't like how it dispenses. It probably sets the face really nice. It's just, I need a different bottle to put this in. And then the last product, we have the Kaz Cosmetics Lip Gloss. Oh, it's a Luxe Lip Treatment. I am not gonna use this product. I'm gonna set it aside because some of the lip treatments have some ingredients that I am allergic to. Really burns my lips, makes them tingle, and really inflames. It makes them fat like a cheap fish from Mario. So we are not doing that today, honey. I will set this aside with the palette for a future giveaway. So hopefully one of you guys will get a lot of use out of it. Overall, for August 2019, I think this Try Beauty box was okay. I am obsessed with this palette. I think it did a really terrific job. Aside from the one crumbling on me, it blended out really nice. I am really living for this look, and the shimmers blew me away because I didn't need MAC Fix with them. Not many shimmers can say that. Definitely let me know in the comments if you want to see swatches and eye looks of the other two palettes that were offered in this month's Try Beauty box. For trying the Balm Cosmetics eye primer, I think it did a really good job. Do you see my eyes? The mattes are popping, the shimmers are popping, everything is popping. So I'm really excited for this. I definitely want to see how it compares to ABH. It's nice to have another product by The Balm. I haven't tried much. This is my third product. I have loved every The Balm product that I have tried so far. The blush is super pigmented. It's just I don't like it on my cheeks by itself. It definitely needs to be tried with some foundation. But for trying Cargo in the past and not really being a big fan, I am definitely impressed with this blush with how pigmented it is. It just needs foundation before determining if this is a hit or a miss for me. Doesn't look good on my skin tone, my complexion without foundation. This setting spray is aggressive. It still looks like I'm sweating from it. I definitely probably have to transfer this into a different bottle to be able to give a full review of this, but because this nozzle is not good for dispensing, I definitely think they need to put this product in a different bottle for more practical use. I did not try the Kaz Cosmetics lip treatment just because I did not want to have an allergic reaction on camera, so I will be setting that aside as well with the other palette for a future giveaway. Definitely let me know if you got August Tribe Beauty Box. Were there other variations? Did we get similar products? What did you guys think of this product, and are you guys excited for October's box? Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.